Pockets out there where we won't be dealing with some rain?
Maybe very late tonight if you want to wait all the way 4 or 5 hours after sunset. Maybe it might be dig out the umbrella.
So the dogs are going to have to deal today.
Yeah, they're going to have to deal. They're going to get wet, and then they're going to come inside and shake it off. So just get the house ready. It's one of those days where the rain really isn't going to let up, but it's the first day of the year. So let's recap what we just saw in December. Very warm, very rainy. We had more than 1.25 inches than we typically see in the month. We typically see a little over 3 inches. We saw 4.5. Snowfall, 1/2 inch. That's it. We had 1/2 inch about a week into the month. Typically, we see about 5 inches, so way below in snowfall. And our average high was 50 degrees. That is 7 degrees above average. That is a significantly warm December. But let's look at the country right now. A lot of winter weather coming to many folks, especially anywhere in pink. That's a winter storm warning where more than 6 inches of snow will fall today and tomorrow. We are not in that. We are seeing all rain. On the warm side of this system, once again, we can see where the snow is developing, and that's going to track across Iowa and Wisconsin. But all of this rain is heading our way for today, especially points south. Right now, though, flash flood warnings in southern Kentucky. Thankfully, that's missing us, but we do have some heavier showers moving into Pike and Jackson County at the moment, and also a brief heavy shower that is just moving through Westerville and north of US 36. So Marysville, Delaware getting soaked. Also most of Morrow County and Knox County. You are next. And speaking of north, let's head to Bucyrus for our WeatherBug camera look. It's raining there just like it is everywhere in central Ohio, but temperatures are very mild. We have upper 50s, especially south. Piketon and Chillicothe at 57, Washington Courthouse 59. John Glenn Airport at 53, Mount Gilead 52. So a little cooler up to the north. And temperatures are very steady today. Our graph doesn't move much, maybe a degree or two between now and noon. And that'll generally be the case today. Look at our hour-by-hour forecast. 9 a.m., very similar to what we're experiencing now. And by 2 o'clock, another band of heavy showers. We'll have to watch this for some flooding concerns, especially in southeastern Ohio, where we have more hilly terrain where we typically see those flash flooding threats. So again, this is a day to keep an eye on that. Still 6:30 tonight, rain all over the Buckeye State, and then finally a break down to just a few light scattered showers at midnight, but northern Ohio starting to see some snow showers. For us, though, it's mostly rain, and we are going to see anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of rain. The greatest threat for rain is going to be south, spots like Piketon and Athens, 2, locally 3 inches, and that's why a flood watch, shaded in dark green, is in effect for most of our southern counties until tonight. Not only that, but this will be a severe weather New Year's Day for a good portion of the country. The orange is a 3 out of 5 risk for severe weather, where tornadoes are possible again across Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and southern Kentucky. For us, it's a very small risk, about a 1 out of 5 in those areas that will also experience flooding. And it's all due to a cold front marching across the state slowly today. Here's 9:14, temperatures in the 50s. Taking its time throughout the afternoon, but then they fall into the 30s overnight, and that's when we can see a few snow showers coming our way on Sunday. So here's Sunday afternoon, a greater chance up to the north. So Bucyrus, Mansfield, Mount Gilead, that's where we're going to be most likely seeing that. But central Ohio could get clipped by a quick snow shower tomorrow, just light accumulation. Then high pressure takes over for a couple of days before a brief shower on Wednesday. And this is what we're watching for Thursday. Possible snow accumulation once again as another low tracks across the Midwest. So a very active pattern coming our way, but that's the way it's been. It'll be cold, though, this week with temperatures in the 20s overnight, highs in the 30s and 40s. And then in our 10-day forecast, we stay cold, too.